Okay, I'm out here shooting the Hatsan AT-44. Really like this gun. You know, I shot earlier versions of this, the Pneuma, that I really liked. I shot it as a single shot. I shot it when it went to the rotary. I really liked the gun. The only complaint I had about it was that it was pretty loud. But this integrated shroud that they built into this this rifle quiets it down. One of the quieter full power 22 rifles I've shot in a long time. Really like it. It's accurate. I've been out here shooting at 50 and 75 yards, well 35, 50 and 75 yards. The results have been really good with this. As I say, I feel very confident to take it out on my next prairie dog shoot with me. The gun is a synthetic stock. It's lightweight, has an adjustable butt piece. The only thing on the gun that does adjust. Side lever action, smooth action. It deploys the safety every time you shoot. Not my favorite feature. Having said it though, this one is actually one of the best positioned I've ever shot. I like a thumbs up when I shoot, and the stock is designed for that with a kind of squared off piece back here. But easy to deploy. I can shoot, I can cock, let the safety go without ever moving the gun. So I really like the design overall. Just insert the fill probe, close the bleed port, open it up, fills to 200 bar. Okay, once you get to 200 bar, that's about 2800 psi. Close it, open the bleed valve, remove the port, or the probe from the port. There's an outside ring, just bring that around, it covers it back up, protects it, and then you're ready to get out there shooting again. The pellets that the gun liked, and this is pretty typical, I say this a lot, were the JSB Jumbo Exacts. The gun shot the exact jumbos really well. tight groups, they hit hard. It's an all-around great pellet, and probably if I only had to buy one pellet these days, this would, I have to say honestly, be the one that I'd shoot. But you know, as you all know, if you've been shooting, different guns like different pellets, so you always have to look. And I've hit the occasional rifle that doesn't like JSB, but it's rarer with this pellet than any others.